Flavour Trailer is a food truck driven by chef techniques, indulgence, and if you're a beginner or an advanced foodie, the Flavour Trailer is for you. We were really an events-based company, but luckily we were taking the van out once a week to do burgers, and thank God we were, because we were able to expand that. And yeah, I was introduced to StoreKit, and hallelujah. First and foremost, it's got to look sexy for the customer, and we could customize it in so many ways. I just knew that it was very intuitive, really easy to use. Because we're working to such a schedule in the truck, so sometimes you're going to be thrown behind. I mean, it has this cool feature, you just click delay, and then you can set 5, 10, and it sends out an SMS. You know, those tiny little things, they just have such an effect on the morale in the kitchen and the smooth running of the operations. Happy customers, happy chefs, happy front of house, the food's better, the customer's experience is just smoother. So, you know, it's a no-brainer for me, and then we'll be cooking, no one will be at the truck for 10 minutes. Yeah. And someone will come up and say, "Hi, can I get a burger?" And I'm like, sorry, we're literally at capacity, we can't do any more. And they're like, it doesn't look like there's a queue, but virtually on the internet there is a giant queue here, but you can't see it. So, and it's grown so much that we're opening a restaurant in 2021 in Northampton town. Yeah, that we're just waiting for the coronavirus to die off, etc. We're creating an incredible burger, and our time and effort we want to spend on the food and the service, and we want the online experience, which everybody's got these days, to be flawless. We're opening the restaurant, as I mentioned. That's 100% going to be using click and collect from StoreKit. Yeah, no, I just genuinely think it's the future.